Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix error deleting promotion on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your Instagram app, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and now once you're inside the profile page, tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, tap on settings and privacy. And once you're inside settings and privacy, what you need to do is tap on account center. Now what you need to do here is simply disconnect your Facebook from Instagram and then simply connect it again. And once you do that, that should probably fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is simply go to the settings app, and once you're inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now tap on iPhone storage, and here all you gotta do is find Instagram and tap on that. And once you're here, tap on offload app, and what this does is it clears all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app. And now once that process is complete, tap on delete app, which reinstalls the app with the latest version, and that should probably fix the issue. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.